Hi guys, this is Surbhi and today we are going to talk about how you can use Instagram Reels for your brand influencer marketing campaigns. For anyone who's been living under a rock these past few months, Reels are 15 to 30-second clips on Instagram set to music. Instagram launched this last year August, and since then this feature has been gaining traction. Since then, Instagram has been aggressively pushing this feature to engage more and more content creators. According to experts, this is a strategic move by the platform to take on its biggest competitor in the space, TikTok. With TikTok already banned in India and a few other countries also considering the same due to privacy concerns, Instagram is using this vulnerability to lure users from TikTok to its own platform. With the latest update, a user will now find Reels at the forefront of the entire Instagram's platform experience. It's at the center stage of the navigation bar. This strategy, quite similar to the one used by the platform when they released IGTV, is a significant push to have more and more users consume and share Reels. Why marketers should consider Instagram Reels as a part of their influencer marketing strategy. Reels already had an upper hand as soon as it entered the market, for it had TikTok's experience of rolling out a platform to learn from and also an existing user base for market stability. Content creators also found it easy to integrate Reels into their already existing presence on Instagram. You will already find influencers creating content on Reels, be it DIY tips, hacks, educational content, etc., and making use of an expansive music library provided by the platform. Reels also provides a unique opportunity for marketers to experiment with a new content format without having to find a new platform for it or building an audience from scratch. One can continue to leverage the same audience and also maintain relevancy with the same demographic. Due to Instagram's bid to promote its new feature, it is also being pushed out to the explore section of the platform. You can expect 10x reach on your reel content as compared to your story content. This undoubtedly increases the potential of gaining a higher reach as the users who do not follow an influencer will also be able to discover and watch the content. Marketers here have a unique opportunity to capitalize on this and the reach it promises before the platform becomes saturated with hordes of brands doing similar things. Although this is most likely going to change in the future, as of now, promoted posts and paid ads are not an option on the Reels. Utilizing influencers to create integrated videos and authentic content and allowing them to advocate your products is the only way to advertise on Reels as of now. Here is how brands are already using Instagram Reels. From what we have seen while working with brands on their multi-platform influencer marketing strategies is that early adoption of any platform is key to having a wealth of content and an edge over your competitors who haven't started yet. Wondering how to integrate Instagram Reels into your influencer marketing strategy? Let us help. Reach out for a free consultation session with our influencer marketing specialist.